Welcome back to Nailed It Projects, y'all. Hey, today we start inside. It's like 95 outside, but I'm actually gonna pack me a little cooler because it's hot outside. Making me a little bologna with egg and cheese, but I'm gonna bake it along with the bread. So, there goes the oven. We're ready. But after my success with the mango trees, I went ahead and bought some more mangoes. I hope to get 8 trees for myself, whatever's left over. I'll probably put on Facebook. Somebody can come get it, purchase it. I usually put stuff up for free. When we get outside, I'll show you what the plan is for today. And yes, we're still working on the deck. But let me get something to eat and get out of here. Well, it is now 3 o'clock. I ate lunch and watched me a movie. No, I didn't fall asleep, right? Damn, I got the wrong shoes on. Hold on. All right, there we go. Got better. Okay, well, what do we have to do today? First off, I need to make a box to open the door to go on the shed. Then I have to put this under the shed, mix concrete, put in it to place the pump and filter on. Then I can get back up on top of the deck and keep nailing floorboards down. My plan is to, as you can see, they are already in position. My plan is to screw and cut where needed and then, fill in the spots. But before all that happens, put down my little drink bag. I brought 4 bottles of water. When they're done, I'm done. I need to box, frame this and dig a hole for the posts to hold this frame in place for the, stairs. So the stairs landing, that's the first thing. The box is easy. I can put it in place, put the concrete in it from what's left over of what's, I hope, not totally hardened here. Yeah, still good. So let me get you guys a tripod and get set up. This video is gonna be somewhat long. I'm gonna try and include as much as possible. But if you see this line here, we're at my level from the deck joists. My plan is to run these deck boards all the way over in one continuous run. So everything has to be level. I currently have the stringer 2 inches above where it should be. These been in place forever. All right, over a month. So I'm just gonna cut the top off of that, and it should give me a rise of about 5 inches. Well, 4.5 versus 6.5. So it'll be quite fine. I'm just gonna put a sticker on a board with a riser saying "Watch your step" in red, so everybody can see it going up the steps. Everybody, my family, yes, they're my family. They should remember, but they're my family. I'm just gonna say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off before I build a box for the landing and dig the hole for the posts. Once that is dug, I'm gonna go put the box in place for the pump and filter. Make sure everything is prepped. So when I mix concrete, it's one time mixing. Then the plan is to hop up top and cut that opening for the access to the pump and filter. Because it's real low under there. I'm not young anymore. And the girls won't be able to figure out what's going on with the pump. So I have to make it easier for myself. As you can see, we got the first piece in here, and I just use a string line coming off of the stringer and the square to get where the post is going to go. I have the line, just got to trace to the ground, then I can dig the hole and get the other post in the ground. Let's get to that. That post is in place. Concrete bucket is ready. I just remembered that I need to put plastic on the bottom of this to alleviate any leaking. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna leave excess on the bottom. It's not gonna be tight to where I can lift the sides to help level it while I'm putting the concrete in it. The plastic at the bottom will just help it to take the shape of whatever is under it. That's the plan. Let me get the cutting and stapling. I'm making good progress so far. I don't want to jinx it, but you know how that goes. Everything I have is getting used. Look around you. Put to use the resources you have. Let's go back forward. Right, that's done. See? Put it down, let it sit, pour concrete in it, put a level on it, adjust as needed, keep putting concrete, and screw the top. So, that should be a nice flat surface. The pump and the filter on. Alright, let me scoot this onto there. Then, the tough part. I need to get up on the deck and measure out where that box is going. I gotta leave the comfort of this nice shade, nice little breeze in the sun. I don't want to mix concrete and drag it onto there. I don't want to go in the sun. But I'm ready to mix concrete and put that so I can finish the landing today. Choices such as life. I don't want to go up on the deck, because if I go up on the deck, then I want to wear deck boards. Concrete. Now I have to get up on the deck. It's about 1/3 my height. I hope my back survives. Post is done before the end of this evening. The landing will be done. I might have deck boards on it, and then we can carry on with stair stringers, bill steps, whatever have you, and then finish up here. I am dreading this so bad, but it got to be done, so let me get to it. don't know if you guys saw at all during the hyperlapse, but my shirt is soaked. Completely soaked. But I got it done. Did a half wet, half dry pour. I didn't want to get from under here, so I just used whatever water was in the bucket and wet the surface. Call it a day. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow anyway, so it'll get a good wetting. It'll cure in time. Set the pump up tomorrow evening, Sunday. We can actually enjoy this. Deck boards might not be screwed down, but it's solid enough for us to walk on. I need to get back onto there to do that 2x4 box access area. It's gonna wait. It's not gonna happen today. Not at all. I'm gonna get back on the landing for the steps. If I can knock this out today, run the boards across, screw that down, I'll get something accomplished today. Oops, sorry about that. And that is all the work we get to do today. I have been given my 15-minute warning. I am going inside. However, the landing is done. Tomorrow, I'll be running boards. All right. Hello.
But it's not done.
I said the landing is done, which is right here.
I don't know. That's cold.
So why are you getting on my case, saying it's not done?
I thought you were talking about the top part.
No, I wasn't. I was talking about the landing. Anything else, Miss Lawyer?
The landing?
This is called the landing because you go up the steps and then you land on the deck. Any other questions? No.
Hello.
You are so weird. You have got to be my child.
Did you show them the sky?
Yes, I did.
Crazy.
It's lovely.
It didn't rain over here though.
How you know it rained somewhere else? It's still cloudy and I'm going inside. There it is. Lemongrass and all its beauty. Ooh, it's a lot of tea. It's a lot of tea.
The next day.
Well, you're a turb. Landing. Started the stairs. This section is done. I need more material to finish that off. But they're in the pool. They are in the pool. Stairs that I got on Facebook works perfectly.
Wait, let's do our signature dance.
And
Dance.
I gotta.
Dance. Dance. You ready?
What? You stop that! Oh, gosh. But yeah, I decided, and then I can do the centerpiece here, and then the box for access. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna shut this one down here. I'm tired of shit. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy the sunset. Water in the background. Catch y'all in the next video. Hope y'all appreciate these.